Hello everyone, and welcome back. Now that we've covered the basics of Power BI, it's time to create a report. Let's start by customizing the page background and adding a heading. By default, Power BI reports have a white background. To change it, navigate to the Visualizations pane on the right. Click on the Format icon. Select Canvas Background. Choose your desired color, e.g. black, and set the transparency to 0%. This will apply a solid black background to your report canvas. To add a heading at the top of the page, go to the Insert tab. In the Elements section, select Text Box. A text box will appear on the canvas. Enter the text. Superstore Profit Report. Set the font size to 32. Apply bold and italic styles. Align the text to the center. Change the font color to white. To remove the text box background, with the text box selected, go to the Format pane. Click on Effects, then Background and toggle it off. Click on Visual Border. To enable the border, set its color to white and adjust the radius to round the corners. This will give your heading a clean and professional look. Let's create and customize a donut chart in Power BI that displays categories and their corresponding profits. Navigate to the Visualizations pane. Select the donut chart icon to add it to your report canvas. Drag the desired category field into the legend area of the Visualizations pane. This action segments the donut chart by different categories. Drag the profit measure into the Values area. This ensures that each segment's size represents the profit associated with that category. Remove the extra text from the heading. Double-click on the Sum of Profit Values and remove the sum of, then press Enter. With the chart still selected, in the Format section, toggle the legend switch to Off to remove the legend from the chart. Now come to the Detail Labels option. Set the label contents to All Detail Labels. This will display both category names and their corresponding profit amounts directly on the chart segments. After that, come to the Values and change the color to white. Now click on General Settings. In the Title settings, find the Text Color option. Change the title size to 18. Choose white or another suitable color to ensure the title stands out against the background. It's time to remove the chart background. Click on Effects, then toggle the background switch to Off to remove any background color from the chart, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the report canvas. By following these steps, you can effectively create a donut chart in Power BI that showcases categories and their associated profits, with a clean and customized appearance tailored to your reporting needs. Press Ctrl and C to copy the chart, then press Ctrl and V to paste it. This action will create a replica of your original chart. Click on the first duplicated chart to select it. Drag the segment field and drop it into the legend. Select the second duplicated chart. Similarly, replace the current category in the legend with the region field. Select the first chart, click on Format, then General, then Effects. After this, select the visual border and change its color to white and round its corners. Then use the Format Painter to apply the format to another chart easily. Now click on the stacked bar chart icon. Put the subcategory in the Y-axis and profit in the X-axis. Remove the background. Go to the Format, then General, click on Effects, and toggle off the background. Then come to the visual border, change its color, and round its corners. Change the color of title, align to center, and increase its font size to 18. Now come to the visual. Click on the Y-axis. Change its color, then remove the title. Now come to the X-axis options and do the same. Next one is grid lines. You can see dotted vertical lines in the chart, toggle it off. Activate the data labels and change its color to white. Now we will make a line chart. Select the line chart icon. Put the order date in X-axis and profit in Y-axis. Now, click on this fourth button to expand it. More simple way to copy the formatting. Just click on the formatted chart. Then click on Format Painter and click on the desired chart where you want to get that formatting. Format Painter has limitations. Due to this, it did not copy the formatting the grid line settings. That's why we will do it manually. The next one is slicers. We will create a slicer on the left-hand side. Select the slicer, put the state in it, come to do some formatting. Toggle off the slicer header. Click on Values, decrease its size, and change its color. Now, come to the General settings. Click on Effects and toggle off the background. Now, we will create a matrix that shows the subcategory region and sales, but you think we have less space. How do we adjust that? So, do not worry. Just change the width of the page and get more space to adjust all of them properly. Click on any space on the page, then come to the Format tab. Click on the Canvas setting, change the type to Custom, and increase the width pixels to 1700. Here, you can adjust the height as well. Select the matrix icon. Put the subcategory as rows, region as columns, and sales as values. Now, we will do the format part. Click on Layout and Style presets. Choose the style that is better for your report. Come to the General. Click on Effects and toggle off the background. Now adjust them to add the cards. Select the card icon and adjust it. Add the sales in the fields. After this, we start the formatting part. Click on Category Labels and change the color. Then click on Callout Value and change its color too. Then come to General Settings and remove the background. Activate the visual border. Change its color and round its corners. Now copy and paste it for profit and quantity. Last part of it, also consider it main. Visual colors for best data visualization. Select any chart such as donut chart. In the Format tab, click on Slices. 4 slices are mentioned because it's the region donut. We have 4 regions. Here we can change color of every slice. Click on it, select from them, or click on More Colors, and here you can add the code of any color for the charts.